today I want to change my shower head. That's the current one at the moment, and I'm changing it to something like this that can give me that rainfall, waterfall kind of feelings to it. And it also comes with a little rainfall hand shower type, which is this, and the extra cord to connect this one to this part, whereas this part will be connected to the outlet, whatever you want to call it. So when I bought this piece, I was ready to make the upgrades, and I did not have the right strong equipment enough to be able to unloose the one that is currently up there. So I bought the equipment for it. I'm weird, but I'm always it's not the right one that arrived yet. This is actually a sneakers that I bought for my son as extra pairs for school, and I actually thought that they delivered. They did. Oh no, they did not. They did in the sense that they actually put it inside my mailbox, because I received an email earlier telling me that tube was delivered. I do not have the strength to go all the way up there yet to go get that. So, and it's about to rain. We will make the changes later. Okay, I am back. I went to get the product from Mother. This is what it look like. Oh, this shit is heavy. Okay, so this is what I need. So I'm gonna be putting the end of the water thing in between here. Then I'll be able to tie it up and use lady power. Okay, I think this is spare parts, which I don't think I'm going to use anytime soon. And I'm about to wrap this at least about 5 times around the same spot that I just cleaned out, just for a better grip. Okay, so that's 1, 2, I might do like 6, 3, 4, 5, whatever this counts, 6. Okay. This is already pre-installed. That's why we have the extras goes in there. Okay, let's see what we got. Is the angle for me? Like I'm driving a car. Okay. Okay, that's tight enough. Let it work. Okay. Yeah, that's tight enough. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna do a strip. Honestly, I'm not get too wet here. Oh, yeah. So I'm just trying different sizes just to see the thing. Oh, I'm wet. The reason why I got that one with the extra and is because of when I want to wash my bath, like my shower, especially the door. It will be easier for me to use it and spray up here. I do not like water splash being dry. That's why I have this dry on the glass. I don't like it at all. So pretty much every time I'm done taking it back, you will see me doing this before I get out of the shower. It's an habit, and it also keeps your, your glass, the shower door, everything look a little bit more nicer once you are done. So there's not much water on the door because I had the door open earlier. But yeah, bad habit, right? And we are done.